Hi, primary friends. How are you today? I'm so glad to meet you again. Today, as usual, we are going to do the nature observation. Nature observation. If you hear about nature, what do you think? What is nature? Is there any nature in your house right now? Alright, now you can go outside your house and take a look around you. What nature that you think is the most interesting? Is it the plants? Or maybe the sky? Animals? So there's a lot of nature objects. Now, what about if you choose one nature object that you really like? You can observe the sky, or maybe you can observe your plant, or maybe if you have animals in your house, you also can observe it. Have you chosen one nature object that you really like? What is it? Why do you choose that object? Alright, now let's observe it. What's the size of your nature object? Is it big, small, or maybe long, or maybe tall? Does it have any color? What is the color of your nature object? Okay, that's interesting. Now, what about smell? Does it have any smell? Oh, can you touch the nature object that you observe right now? Do you want to try to touch it? What do you feel when you touch it? How many parts does your nature object have? And what are they? Alright, now let's draw the nature object that we have observed. Let's take our nature journal and let's draw it, okay? Have you done drawing the result of your observation? Okay, friends, Miss Irene wants to ask you, what do you feel when you observe the nature object today? If you are asked to express your feeling, how will you express it? Okay. What about if you make a poem? Have you ever made a poem? Okay, now let's try to write some sentences and make it into a poem about the nature object today, alright? So friends, this is how Miss Irene draws the nature that I like and also write the poem about it. I observed my dog and I made a poem about it. What about you? What do you observe and how will you make the poem? Have you done making the poem? After you have done making the poem, you can try to read it for Miss Irene. You can record yourself reading the poem that you make, or maybe you also can take a picture of your result of observation, all right? All right, friends, I cannot wait to see your feedback. And I think that's all for today. Thank you for meeting Miss Irene. And we will meet again in the next meeting, okay? Bye, friends.